The weekly code quiz. What HTML5 elements support audio and video? The audio element and the video element. What services exist to help with audio and video content? Services such as SoundCloud, YouTube, and Vimeo can host your audio and video content so that you can use embed links in your code. What is the advantage of using a service over HTML5? There are multiple audio and video formats that you need to include for cross-browser compatibility. By using a service, you don't need to deal with these issues. What comprises a video file format? A video container and a video codec. What does a video container hold? A video container and a video codec. What does a video container hold? It contains the compressed video coded data, its audio coded data, and the metadata. What is a video codec? A video codec, or encode decode, is a program that can decode compressed data. What determines what programs and devices are compatible with a file? The pairing of different container formats and codecs. What are some common video container formats? .avi, .mp4, .mov. What are some common video codecs? H.264, MPEG-4, DivX, hevc or H.265, VP8, and VP9. How do you know what video format to choose? The best format to use depends on your need to balance video quality against the size of the video. Presented by Designers Learn Code.